I'm going to do the asterisk strike. Ang tama niya is temple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and start. Okay? Now, sa mas maliit na weapon naman, pupunta ako sa middle range. Okay, gagawin kong Piketty 3-shot technique. But hindi siya extended because I wanna protect myself from disarming. So, more on circular movement, just like if I'm holding at this, say this is a knife, and this is a regular hold, may reverse hold, yung nandito. Okay, this is a regular hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm using this hand for distracting, poking, grabbing for any possible counter. Say for example, mag-asterisk strike ako, magka-counter siya, because you know something about martial art, then dito ako. Yan. I'm sorry.
Okay lang.
Now, paano ba siya gagamitin pag yung simple asterisk strike pag wala akong hawak?